Welcome to our channel, where we blend timeless wisdom with modern insights. Today, we delve into Stephen R. Covey's masterpiece, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, through the lens of Stoic philosophy. Let's explore how these powerful habits align with the principles of Stoicism. Welcome to our channel. Before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our new updates. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's get started. Thank you. Habit 1. Be proactive. Covey emphasizes the importance of taking responsibility for our actions and responses. This aligns perfectly with the Stoic principle of focusing on what we can control. By accepting what we cannot change and taking action on what we can, we embody proactive living. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. Covey advises us to define our vision and goals early on. Stoicism echoes this through the concept of memento mori, remembering our mortality to prioritize what truly matters. By visualizing our desired outcomes, we align our actions with our highest values. Habit 3. Put first things first. Effective people prioritize their most important tasks over less significant ones. This mirrors the Stoic practice of discerning the essential from the trivial, ensuring that our time and energy are devoted to what truly advances our purpose. Habit 4. Think win-win. Covey encourages us to seek mutually beneficial solutions. Stoicism teaches us to act with justice and fairness, aiming for harmony in our relationships. By fostering a mindset where everyone can benefit, we build stronger, more effective connections. Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Empathetic communication is key to effective interactions. Stoics value the virtue of wisdom, which includes understanding others deeply before responding. This habit fosters trust and clarity in our communications. Habit 6. Synergize. Covey highlights the power of teamwork and collaboration. Stoicism recognizes the interconnectedness of all people, advocating for cooperation and mutual support. By leveraging diverse strengths, we achieve greater outcomes together. Habit 7. Sharpen the saw. Continuous self-improvement and renewal are vital for sustained effectiveness. This echoes the Stoic practice of daily reflection and self-care. By nurturing our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being, we maintain the capacity to perform at our best. By integrating the habits of highly effective people with Stoic wisdom, we can lead lives of greater purpose, resilience, and harmony. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay wise and effective.